Ano naman ang relationship ng inscribed angle and its intercepted arc? Tara't pag-usapan natin yan dito. Manood, makinig, mag-enjoy at matuto. What's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is YouMore PH. Andito na naman ang pabibo ninyong guro na punong-puno ng humor and willing to give you more. Narito ako para tulungan ka, na tulungan ng sarili mong matuto sa pamamagitan ng math pinadali, math pinasaya, at math pina-exciting na mathematics lesson. Now, if you find this video helpful, please wag mong kakalimutan na mag-subscribe and i-click ang notification bell para updated ka sa lessons natin dito sa YouMore PH. And please help me share this to your friends, classmates, teachers, parents, ate or kuya, tita or tito na nangangailangan din ng ganitong lesson. Alright? Without further ado, let's get to our discussion. Hi everyone! Welcome sa lesson natin ngayong araw. So for today, we're going to discuss about the relationship of inscribed angle and its intercepted arc. Alright? So last time we've discussed kung anong relationship ng central angle tapos intercepted arc. So if you want to watch that, so dito sa may upper right, so I'll just put here the link. Ayan, so click nyo lang yan para ma-direct kayo dun sa topic na yun. Alright, so ngayon naman, let's talk about ano namang kinalaman or relasyon ng inscribed angle sa intercepted arc. Ayan, so let's get this lesson started. So ito ang statement ng inscribed angle and its intercepted arc. So sabi, if an angle is inscribed, so later I'll show you kung ano ibig sabihin ng inscribed angle na ito, in a circle, then the measure of the angle, measurement ng angle na yon na inscribed, is half, kalahati, ng measurement ng intercepted arc. Alright. So intercepted arc, I'll discuss that very, yung mabilis lang. So let's have circle O. Ayan, ang pagkapangalan po niyan ay ganito. Bilog, tuldok, tapos kung ano yung letter, siya yung name. That's circle O. So, last time, di ba? Kung matatandaan ninyo, central angle ang pinag-usapan, ang vertex ay center. Tama? So, dito naman, ang vertex ay point sa circle. Ayan. So, kapag ang vertex ay yung point on the circle, tapos naka-form siya ng angle, ang tawag doon ay inscribed angle. I'll repeat. Sige, I'll show you kung anong itsura ng central para ma-differentiate natin. So, si central angle kasi, gitna, yung vertex niya, yung point kung saan nag-intersect yung dalawang radius na ito, ay yung center itself. Kaya siya tinawag na central angle. Now, since we're talking about inscribed angle, ang ibig sabihin naman yan, ang vertex niya ay mismong point sa circle, on the circle, mismong nasa circle. Alright? So, I hope you know how to differentiate central angle from inscribed angle. So, inscribed angle, yung point or yung vertex ay on the circle. Alright? Now, so sabi daw, ang measurement daw nito ay kalahati, half ng intercepted arc. So, say for example, we have the measure of this intercepted arc. 100, 100 degrees. So, what can you say about this angle? Basahin ko ulit Then the measure of the angle, the measure of this angle is half, kalahati ng measurement ng intercepted arc. Yung intercepted arc po, yung opposite niya. Alright? So, kung itong angle, yung opposite niya, that is the intercepted arc. Alright? Now, so, kung sinasabi niyang kalahati daw yan, what do you think would be the answer here? Sir, 50. Very good. As simple as that. So, kalahati nito yung angle. So, that is 50. As simple as that. Nakakuha? So, don't worry, later we'll apply that in our problems. Next. So, we have center or circle O pa din. So, ito ay intercepted arc. Inscribed angle. Kasi yung vertex niya ay on the circle. Then, if ever na given sa atin is 130 degrees, ito daw, this one is 130 degrees. What can you say about this angle? Sir, kalahati po siya niyan. Ano bang kalahati nito? When you divide this by 2, kasi kalahati, divide by 2, just like what we did here, divide by 2, the answer is 50. So when we divide 2 sa 130, the answer is 65 degrees. Tama? Ganun lang siya kasimple. Ganun ang relationship nilang dalawa. Alright? So later naman yung kabaliktaran, yung converse. So but first, let's focus on this one. Alright, so let's solve our first problem. So ang papasolve sa atin is the value of x. So we have this given. So itong x ang hinahanap natin. Tapos given sa atin yung intercepted arc niya, which is 48 degrees. And as we recall, di ba, sabi sa atin doon sa statement kanina, yung measurement daw nito, yung measurement nitong intercepted arc ay kalahati niya. Right? Ang kalahati nito is this one. Tama? So we can just divide this. Ang sagot ay ito. So if we're going to represent that, ganito siya. So di ba ang x natin, this one, at yung x na hinahanap, is equal to kalahati daw nito. Kalahati ng measurement of arc AC. Ayan. So if you are asked to have working equation, pwede mo itong gamitin. So yung x, or yung angle ABC, that is also same with x, is equal to 1/2 of this one. 1/2 ng measurement of AC. Okay? So galing ito sa idea natin dun sa kanina, na ang intercepted arc daw, ang kalahati nun ay measurement ng kanyang intercepted angle. Okay? Now, so kung working equation yan, so yung x which is unknown, lagay natin dyan, then we have 1/2. Measurement of AC, eto, that is 48 degrees. So, di-divide mo lang yan. Multiply muna natin. So, we have x, numerator by numerator, that is 48 degrees over 2. Kasi may over 1 yan, that is 1 times 2, or 2 times 1. Kaya naging ganyan. Then, 48 divide 2, what is that? That is 24 degrees. So, ibig sabihin po, ang sagot ay 24 degrees. So, that's for the value of x. So, actually, pwede mo siya makuha kagaya na ginawa natin kanina na dinivide lang ito sa 2 then tapos na ang usapan. Pwede naman yun. Ang point lang dito, kaya may ganitong itsura siya, is that baka hingan kayo ng complete solution, at least alam niyo kung paano siya i-represent. Okay? Yung x, actually, you could name that also as angle ABC. Alright? So, pwede ito maging angle ABC. Kasi siya din naman yung x na pinag-uusapan. Alright? So, that's it. Ganun lang po kasimple yung sa number 1. Let's have another one. So, find x if the measure of arc DEF is 295 degrees. Ayan. Paano kaya ito? So, dito medyo tricky siya. Kailangan meron kang mga baon-baon na ideas about circles. So, ito ang given sa atin, measure of DEF, pinapahanap si x. D, E, saka F. Etong buong yan, ang measurement daw ay 295. Tama? Now, ano kaya yung kailangan natin para ma-solve ito? Ano yung idea na dapat alam mo para ma-solve ito? Sir, alam ko po na yung circle ay 360 degrees. Tama. Di ba? So, since intercepted arc tapos inscribed angle ang pinag-uusapan natin, we can get, di ba? Kailangan natin makuha ito. Ito o kaya yung angle. Pero ang pinakamadaling kuhanin ay yung intercepted arc kasi given tayo ng arc value. Di ba? Given ito. So, kung ang buong circle na yan, ang buong arc na yan ay 360, ang gagawin mo lang, i-minus mo to sa 360. Kasi yun yung matitira dito. Ito yung magiging measurement niyan. Itong natitira. Tama? So, just subtract it to 360 degrees. Ito. So, ito yung magiging una natin. Ito yung solution natin. So, we have 360. Ito yung una mong gagawin, minus 295 degrees. The answer is what? 360 minus 295. Cannot be. Hingi ka sa 6, magiging 5. Naging 10, magiging 5. Hingi ka sa 3 kasi hindi na naman pwede. Magiging siyang 2. Carry 1, 15, 6, 65 degrees. Kasi ang 2 minus 2 is 0. So, we have 65 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, this part, yung DF, is just 65 degrees. Tama? Now, kung 65 degrees yan, alam natin na ang 65 na ang kalahati niyan ay x. Then, divide mo lang to sa 2. Then, you can get the value of x. Alright? Kapag dinivide mo yan sa 2, makakuha mo yung value ng x. Pero sige, let's have working equation para sa complete solution ninyo. So, yung x, magiging siyang 1/2 nitong df. 1/2 ng measure of arc df. Ayan. So, ito kasi yung df. So, kalahati nitong df ay yung measurement ng x. Kaya ganyan ang working equation natin. Then, we have x is equal to 1/2 times what is df? Measurement ng df is 65. So, actually, kung nag-shortcut ka na 65 divide 2, same lang yun. Makakuha mo pa rin yung sagot. Ito lang, yung point lang dito is that, what if hingan kayo ng complete solution para meron kayong ipakita? So, eto. So, may over 1 yan. So, numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. So, that is 65 degrees over 2. Divide mo yung dalawa. Then, final answer. So, 65 divide mo sa 2. 6 divide 2 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 0. So, magiging bring down 5. That is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 1. 0.005. So, 0.5. 10. So, wala na. So, this is 32.5 degrees. So, sa angle po, mas prefer ko na nakadecimal compared sa naka-fraction. Alright? Nakadecimal na lang ang isagot natin. Alright, so therefore, ang kalahati nito is 32 degrees. So, that is the value of x. So, ito ay 32 degrees. 0.5. Sorry. 32.5 degrees. Alright? So, ayan. Ganyan lang siya. Kasimple. Alam mo lang dapat yung measurement ng circle, which is 360 degrees. Kinailangan natin ito para ma-solve ang value niya. Okay? So, sige, let's test your knowledge. Let's see kung nakuha mo talaga yung concept about inscribed and intercepted arc. So, let's have our humor drill. So, by the way, in this topic, dalawang humor drill tayo because I'm going to discuss yung converse niya, yung kabaliktaran. Para alam ninyo what if baliktad ang given, what if yung angle ang given, what will you do? Alright? So, I'll give you this problem. And then, yan, ito yung illustration niya. I'll pause for a while now. And I'll get back to you to give the answer. But if you still need time, feel free to pause the video. Your timer starts now. Alright, time's up. So let's answer this one, this problem. So if the measure of angle BOA is 49 degrees, find the measure of angle BCA. So hanapin muna natin ito. Angle ito ha, angle hindi arc. So ito yan, angle BOA is 49 degrees. So hindi man nakalagay para dapat alam mo kung saan siya ilolocate. Alright, that is 49 degrees. Now let me ask you, anong tawag sa angle na to? Since it contains the center as its vertex. Very good. Sir, that is central angle. Very good. That central angle kasi nga center yung vertex niya. Pero this one, since the vertex is on the circle, anong tawag naman dyan? Exactly. Inscribed angle. Very good. So, ganun siya. So, since central angle yan, ano dapat ang bit-bit yung idea? Ano dapat yung alam mo para ma-solve natin ito? Ano bang meron sa central angle? Kung may central angle dyan, what can you say about this intercepted arc? Alright, so dapat bit-bit nyo yan. So dapat alam mo na itong intercepted arc ng central angle, that is also the same measurement. Handaan, yung 49 degrees dyan is the same dito. Ayan. So wag kayong magugulat na maghahalo-halo yung mga concepts sa circles. Kasi talaga naman na ihahalo yan ng teachers or sa problems, makikita nyo na halo-halo yung mga nangyayari. Let's say, lumabas agad yung central angle dito. Kailangan alam mo kung anong gagawin para ma-solve mo yan. Alright? So, kasi this will be very helpful to you kung alam mo yung central angle sa kaya intercepted arc niya. So, since 49 degrees ito, then we can now get the measure of angle BCA. Diba? Ito ang B, C, and A, this one. Alright? So, since, kung mapapansin mo, B, C, and A, this one is our intercepted arc. Therefore, what can you say about this? Diba? Sabi sa ating theorem, or sa ating statement kanina, ito ay kalahati, ito, kalahati nito. Alright? Kapag dinivide ko ito sa 2, ito ang sagot. So, sige. Let's have our working equation. So, ang hinahanap ay measure of angle BCA. So, laging nasa left yun. Usually nasa left ang pinapahanap. Alright? Tapos, we have 49. So, that is BA. Tama ba? That's BA. 1/2 ng BA, ng measurement ng arc BA ay yung ating measure of angle BCA. Sa ating working equation natin, na the measure of angle BCA is equal to 1/2. Anong measurement nito? 49 degrees. Okay? So, times mo lang, measurement of angle BCA is equal to 49, numerator by numerator, 2 times 1, that's 2, denominator by denominator. So, therefore, the measure of angle BCA is equal to half of this one, that is 24.5 kapag dinivide mo. 24.5 degrees. Again, I prefer to always have it in decimal rather than fraction 4. So, gawin yung decimal yung sagot. Alright. Or if ever kung anong required ni teacher, then sundin niyo si teacher. That's the answer for number 1. Congrats if nakuha mo yung tamang sagot for number 1. Very good. Next, let's have yung another topic, converse naman. So, same lang naman to, related to dun sa kabila. Converse is yung kabaliktaran niya. What if ang given is angle? What can you say about the intercepted arc? Ganun siya. When two chords form an intercepted arc, the measure of intercepted arc of a circle is twice the measure of its inscribed angle. So, isa-isay natin. So, kapag naka-form daw ng intercepted arc, yung dalawang chord, the measure of intercepted arc, yung intercepted arc na meron, ay twice, dalawang beses kasing laki ng inscribed angle. So, in this case, ang makikita ninyo is, kung given sa inscribed, anong measurement ng intercepted arc? Ganun siya. So, let's consider again this circle O. So, we have this, ato yung chord na sinasabi. So, ang chord kasi is the line segment containing endpoints on the circle. So, ito yung chord. Ito yung unang chord, ito yung pangalawang chord. Naka-form siya ng intercepted arc. So, ito yung sinasabi dyan. When two chords, first chord, second chord, form an intercepted arc, ito ang na-form niya, the measure of intercepted arc, ang measurement nito ay of a circle is twice the measure of its intercepted arc. So, dalawang beses na mas malaki ito compare dito. So, baliktad lang ng una. So, ito kasi kanina, ang measurement nito ay kalahati nito. Ang measurement nito ay kalahati nito. Alright. So, ganito yan. If ever given tayo ng 50 degrees, sabi mas malaki ito ng dalawang beses. Times 2 mo lang yan. The answer would be 100 degrees. Simple as that. Pero, I'll show you later yung representation niya para alam niyo kung paano magsulat ng complete solution. Next is 1. Ganito lang din kasimple. Dalawang chord, naka-form ng intercepted arc. So, kung ito ay 65 degrees, dalawang beses ang laki niyan. Twice nito ang measurement niyan. So, the answer is 130. Ito times mo lang ito sa 2. As simple as that. Ayan, so yun ang converse niya. Okay, so sige, let's apply that to the problem. If the measure of angle LMN is 35 degrees, solve for the measure of arc LN. Arc ang hinahanap. Tandaan yan. So, ito yung representation. We have the circle O. We have the measure of angle LMN, L, M saka N. So, ito yan. 35 degrees. Tama naman. Solve for arc LN. Ito yung sinasolve. Arc. Diba? Arc LN. So, sabi sa idea natin, diba? Twice nito ang measurement niyan. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, eto, dalawang beses mas malaki compare dito. So, ito times 2 ko lang yan para makuha ito. Okay? So, actually, alam mo na ang sagot, diba? 70. Pero let me show you. Kasi ito times 2 mo lang yan eh. 35 times 2. Tapos na ang usapan. 'Di ba? So, titigil ka na, 70 degrees na. Pero what if hiningi yung complete solution? So, ganito siya. So, since ito yung pinapahanap, solve for measure of angle LN, arc LN. So, ganito ang gagawin mo. Ayan, working equation natin, measure of arc LN. Then, 2, kasi twice yan, di ba? Twice ng measurement of angle LMN. Ayan, so 2 times this one, the answer doon sa arc LN. Alright? So again, nakuha ito dahil din sa concept natin kanina, na mas malaki ito ng 2 beses compared doon. So since ito ang hinahanap, yung LN, mas malaki siya twice compared dito. Kaya yan ang working equation natin. Okay? Now, let's have measure of arc LN. Substitute mo lang. Ito kasi ay hindi pa naman alam. So, wala pa siyang value. So, yung 2. Tapos, yung measurement of LMN is 35 degrees. So, times mo lang. Same lang. Ayan. So, para lang meron kayong solution. 2 times 35, that is 70 degrees. That is now the final answer. Pero kung hindi na naman siguro hinahanap ng teacher ang solution, for as long as naman alam mo kung paano siya i-explain kay teacher kung paano mo siya nakuha, then, pwede na. 70. Alright. So, that's it for number 1. Pero usually, hinihingi ang solution. Kaya better to know also how to represent it. Okay? Let's have second example. The measure of DEF, or angle DEF, is 68 degrees. Solve for the measure of DF and measure of DEF. Ayan, so let's see. So, sabi, ito yung DEF. Sorry. Ba't napalayo yung F? So, ito yung DEF. So, andyan yung F. So, 68 degrees. So, tama naman. Solve for the measure of DF and DEF. So, let's have muna yung for DF. Ito yung DF, di ba? Tama ba? Yes, that's the arc DF. Ang DEF, at sundan mo lang, D, E, and F. So, yung mas malaki. So, eto, solve muna natin yung DF. So, for DF muna tayo. For arc DF. So, paano nga yan? So, apply mo yung idea natin kanina. Di ba? Na dalawang mas malaki ito compare dito. So, ibig sabihin, if we represent that, yung measure of arc DF is equal to 2 times measure niyan. Measure of angle D, E, and F. So, yung measure of angle DF, angle DF is equal to 2 times this one, 68. Diba? Ang measurement ng angle DEF is 68, so kaya sinubstitute natin. So, the measure of arc DF is equal to 2 times 68, that is what? 136 degrees. Okay? So, therefore, eto ngayon ay 136 degrees yung measurement niya. Okay? So, we're done with our first required to find yung measure of DF. Tama? So, ito yung unang pinapahanap sa atin, yung measure of DF. Next, ang pinapahanap naman, isa pa, is for the measure of arc DEF. So, paano mo gagawin yan? Ano ngayon yung idea dapat alam mo para makuha mo ito? Okay? Sir, dapat po alam ko yung 360 degrees. Very good. So, since alam mo na yung konting ito, yung minor arc na yan, dapat kaya mo na rin makuha yung kabila, itong major arc na ito. So, ang gagawin mo lang dyan, so since alam mo na 360 degrees lahat, diba? 360 degrees lahat ang kabuuan, eh babawasan mo lang siya ng 136 yung nakuha natin. Then, makukuha mo na yung DEF. Alright, so i-minus mo lang ito. We have 360 minus 136. So, 0 minus 6 cannot be. So, bawas tayo. Magiging 5. Magiging 10 siya. 4. 5 minus 3 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. So, we have 224 degrees. And that is for the measure of arc DEF. that is 224 degrees. And that is now the final answer. So, itong buong ito, that is 224 degrees. Ayan. So, that's it. That's for number 2. So, ganun lang ha. Kailangan alam mo lagi kasi yung 360 degrees, yung central angle, para masolve mo na mas mabilis yung mga problem. Alright, so it's your turn. Let's have our last humor drill. So, we have the measure of GHI, which is 72.5 degrees. Find the measure of GI. Measure of arc GI. Alright. So, I'll pause for a while now, and I'll get back to you to give the answer. But if you still need time, feel free to pause the video. Your timer starts now. Alright, time's up. So, let's answer number 1. Ayan. So, dapat alam mo kung paano tumingin ng values kung hindi siya nakalagay. So, measure of GHI is 72.5 angle. So, ito yan. G, H, and I. So, ito yung 72.5 degrees. Alright? So, find the measure of GI. So, hanapin natin ito. So, napakadali. Sir, i-times mo lang ito sa 2. Very good. So, tama naman. So, times mo lang yan sa 2, tapos makakuha mo na ito. Kasi yun ang idea ng ating intercepted arc tapos inscribed angle. Diba? Pero let me show you yung solution. So, since ito yung pinapahanap, that is M. Ito yung solution natin. M, or the measure of arc GI, that is twice ng measure of angle GHI. Ayan. So, the measure of GI would be equal to 2 times 72.5 degrees. Times mo lang. Arc GI is equal to... Alright, so multiply mo lang. So, we have 72.5 times 2. So, 2 times 5 is 0. Ay, 10, sorry. 10, 0, carry 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 2 times 7 is 14. So, since may isang decimal, so, isa lang din dito. So, we have 145 degrees. So, we have, ayan. So, ibig sabihin, the measurement of GI, atong part na ito, is 145 degrees. And that is now the final answer. Congratulations kung naka-perfect ka sa dalawang humor drill natin. Very good. Mention that in our comment section para makongratulate kita. Alright? Thank you so much for watching. If you've learned a lot today, and I want to see you in our next video. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you learned and you enjoyed our topic for today. And wag kang aalis na hindi ka nakakapag-subscribe and nakakapag-click ng notification bell. And also let me remind you that you deserve more, you can learn more, and you can be more. #YouMorePH. Bye-bye. See you in our next video.